Hello my friends, today I'd like to share one of my patient's stories, and interestingly she started a year ago chiropractic care, but kinda reluctantly, because it took me and her husband to fight for her for a month to start care, because her rationale was like this: I feel fine, I don't need to do anything, why do I need to be adjusted? Why do I need to get checked? Because I feel fine. So her understanding was, if I feel fine, I would be healthy, or I am healthy. And the truth is, I said, listen, you don't even know how you may be functioning, on which higher level, because the tendency in humans, we don't notice a slow degradation or slow improvements. We just don't notice those slow changes, and only if it's analyzed within the largest time span, then we can recognize the positive or negative change. So this lady started chiropractic care. She had a reverse curve in her neck. So green line is normal, red dotted line where the spine is. So this is a year past, and we see that the reverse curve is gone, and now she's getting curved better, and her posture here getting way closer. Big change. What she mentioned, that she started sleeping better, that she didn't sleep bad, her memory improved. She didn't know that she has challenges to memorize things. Now she can retain information better. She has more energy, she's more energized, she has started doing some exercises because she has more energy, not as tired, dragging herself back and forth. She didn't know that not being tired, it's not normal. She thought that being tired is totally normal, and she kind of accepted it as a fact because she's working. So her life transformed completely, but it took her an effort to step over this closed-mindedness, over this leap of faith, instead of believing in lie, because most people think, oh, I feel good. Well, most people feel good until they diagnosed with cancer, or until they losing the organs, or they have a heart attack. They feel good. I had a patient playing tennis, always telling me, oh, I don't need to do anything. I'm active, I'm playing tennis. And in the tennis court, he had a heart attack. Do you think this heart attack just came on the tennis court? No. It's been there accumulating, killing himself for a while, but he didn't feel anything. So don't believe this lie when you hear it. Oh, you feel better, you feel good, don't worry about this, take this pill. This is total lie. So two lies that we need to expose is, number one, you cannot base your health, and me neither, based on how we feel. Second lie is the medicine makes you healthier. No, medicine is taking care of crisis and trauma. So, God forbid you're in crisis, they kick you out of this crisis, but then you cannot stop. Just because you feel better than the crisis, it doesn't mean you shouldn't be taking care of yourself. So, the lies are here, and people are slaughtered in this hallway. I feel good. If I don't feel good, I go to the medicine. Medicine makes me feel good. Therefore, life going in this pathway of distraction. The truth is stays outside of this. The truth is actually you have to take care of yourself regardless how you feel. Feel good, do the right thing. Feel bad, do the right thing. And then you will be operating in a total healthy environment despite of how you feel. God bless. Hopefully it helps.